Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a glide gear teleprompter. First, let's get everything set up. Begin by attaching your camera to the teleprompter's base plate, ensuring it is centered and secure. Next, mount the entire teleprompter assembly onto a sturdy tripod, making sure it is level and at eye level for comfortable reading. Then, carefully place your tablet or smartphone into the adjustable tray, positioning it for optimal viewing. Finally, organize any necessary cables to prevent tangles and ensure a smooth operation. Now that your hardware is ready, let's prepare your script. You'll need to download a compatible teleprompter application onto your tablet or smartphone. Many free and paid options are available, offering various features. Once installed, import or type your script directly into the application. Take a moment to adjust the text size and font to ensure it is easily readable from your camera's position. Finally, set the scrolling speed to match your natural speaking pace for a seamless delivery. With your script loaded, it's time for precise positioning and calibration. Place the teleprompter directly in front of your camera lens, ensuring the glass is clean and free of smudges. Adjust the mirror angle carefully so that the text reflects clearly and is easily visible to you. It's crucial to maintain a consistent eye line with the camera, giving the impression you are speaking directly to your audience. Before recording, perform a quick test to confirm text visibility and proper framing. You are now ready to record. As you speak, maintain a clear and consistent pace, allowing the teleprompter to guide you effortlessly. Remember to keep your eye contact focused on the camera lens, creating a direct connection with your viewers. Incorporate natural gestures and vocal inflections to make your delivery engaging and authentic. After your recording, review the footage to identify any areas for improvement, such as adjusting scrolling speed or your speaking rhythm for future takes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.